Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to install and set up Metamask on your browser. So let's get started. So let's say you're using Chrome, but I'm using Edge, Microsoft Edge, but the steps are almost the same on both browsers. So let me just quickly enable my cursor highlight. So yeah, so first of all, what you're going to be doing is that simply head over to metamask.io. so you can see it is already popping up in here. You're going to be clicking on that, and once you do, you'll be able to see that we are on official site which states metamask.io, and if you're simply going to be heading over to this particular website, and I can see we are directed towards their home page, and in here we have all of the information regarding Metamask. You can just go through that, and you can also see the features, the build, resources, and other tabs as well. So you can see since I'm using Microsoft Edge, so it is giving me an option to download for Edge, and also we have this option to download on the top right side of your screen as well. So you can click any of these download option. So I'm going to be clicking on this download for Edge, and once you do, you can see we are now directed towards the Metamask extension section, and in here you can see we have this option to get. So if you are using Chrome, you will have an option to download for Chrome or something like that. So once you do, you're going to be clicking on this get option, and just wait for a couple of seconds until this pop-up appears, and once it does, you'll be able to see that we have this option to add extension. Simply click on this add extension and just wait for a couple of seconds until it installs. So you can see the installation or downloading is started. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it downloads, and you'll have your extension ready. So just wait until it downloads, and I will show you the process on how to install it and set up it as well. So once it is downloaded, you'll be able to see that it is now automatically added onto your extension section. So you can see this little puzzle icon. When you click on that, you have this MetaMask in here, and you can simply set it to visible also. So you can see now we are on the setup page, and it is saying let's get started. So first of all, you're going to be checking on this I agree to MetaMask terms of use, and click on create a new wallet, or if you have an existing wallet, you can simply click on that. So if you are completely new, you can simply click on this create a new wallet option, and after that you can see it is asking to improve, and you can simply agree to that as well. And now you're going to be setting up a MetaMask password. So let's just say I type in here anything, and once you do, you can see now our passwords are good to go, and you're going to be clicking on this option that says I understand and something like that. So simply check on this and create a new wallet, and just wait for a couple of seconds. So here it will be generating a security key for your wallet. So a security key or recovery phrase. So as you can see, if you want to know what is a secret recovery phrase, it is basically a couple of words which are used to verify your account or set your account security. So you can simply set that. So you can also set it to remind me later, which is not recommended, and you're going to be selecting secure my wallet because securing your wallet is really crucial, and simply click on that, and now you'll be able to see that we have our security phrase in here. So you're simply going to be clicking on this reveal my secret security phrase, and now you need to save all of these keys. So yeah, once you just remember this, you can take a screenshot or just snap a photo with your phone or something. So let me just save it. Yeah, something like this. Or you can also have this option to copy to clipboard in here. I can do that as well. You can see it is copied. So if you want to hide that again, you can simply click on this hide seed phrase. So yeah, simply click on next, and now you're going to be using that particular security key that we just saved to verify your security. So you can see the screenshot that I took is in here, and I'm going to be selecting my security phrases in here. So just wait for a couple of seconds. So you can see, yeah, you have that in there. We're simply going to be typing in here drop Let me just make it lowercase, drop, and after that on number 8 we have yellow, and after that on number 3 we have craft. So yeah, now we can simply hit on this confirm and your security key is now generated. So with that being said, we are now installed and set up with our MetaMask wallet, and you're good to go and start your trading or anything that you would like. So that's pretty much it on how to set up your wallet, and you can see we are now on our dashboard. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about these type of topics and videos, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.